Why do so many pipe welding projects struggle with inconsistent weld quality, slow production speed, and high dependence on skilled welders? In industries such as oil and gas, power generation, petrochemical plants, and pipeline construction, even a small welding defect can lead to costly downtime, safety risks, and expensive rework. Traditional manual welding often cannot guarantee the consistency required for modern industrial pipelines. That's why more manufacturers and contractors are switching to automated orbital welding technology. Introducing the TATE Open-Head Orbital Welding Machine, a professional solution designed for high-precision automatic pipe welding. With an advanced open-head design, the welding torch rotates smoothly around the pipe, allowing precise TIG orbital welding for medium and large diameter pipes. The system delivers stable arc performance, accurate travel speed, and programmable welding parameters to ensure consistent, high-quality welds every time. The machine supports multi-pass welding, including root pass, fill pass, and cap pass, with optional automatic wire feeding for thicker pipes. This makes it ideal for demanding industrial welding applications. TATE orbital welding machines are widely used for pipeline fabrication, power plant construction, petrochemical piping systems, shipbuilding, and industrial pressure piping. They can weld a wide range of materials such as stainless steel, carbon steel, duplex steel, and special alloy pipes. As a professional orbital welding machine manufacturer, TATE is a trusted source supplier for customers around the world. Our factory specializes in designing and producing advanced orbital welding systems that deliver reliability, precision, and long-term performance. We also support OEM and ODM services for orbital welding machine distributors globally, helping partners build their own brands and grow their markets with high-quality welding equipment. If you are looking for a reliable open-head orbital welding machine or searching for a professional orbital welding equipment manufacturing partner, we are here to help. Contact us today using the information above this video and discover how TATE orbital welding technology can improve your welding productivity and quality.